Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little swatch video of the new Moira Beauty Space Chameleon Multichrome Shadows. Transform your eye game with Moira Space Chameleon Multichrome Liquid Shadows. These magical shades glide effortlessly onto your lids to provide waterproof, high-impact colors that twinkle and shimmer like a dream. We're going to be swatching 5 different shades from this collection. They definitely remind me of the Diamond Days, but a little bit more thicker. These things are stunning. You can do them as a little eye topper, all over glitter. You can really rub out that glitter to make it kind of more transparent, so it's like a little soft sparkle in the eye. The first one we're going to be using is 01 Estella. Obviously you can see in the bottle, it's very pink, turquoise, kind of a green yellow flip. It's so beautiful. I think this one's probably my favorite. Next is number 2, which is Prima Donna. Exactly how it sounds. It's kind of like a bubblegum pink with like an orange, green, yellow, gold flip. So beautiful. And get number 3, so we're skipping to number 4, Chameleon. It's like a peachy pink. I feel like there's a bit of a lilac shift in there. It's really hard to describe, but it's super beautiful. I feel like it's more on the cool toned, but also warm toned. I don't know how they do it. Number 5, and that's Helios. It looks very similar to Estella, I would say, but this one has more orange in it than Estella. Yeah, you can definitely see the more orange-red kind of duochrome throughout that. Very similar to Estella though, but it's still different enough to tell a difference. I would say this is the best representation of an opal stone, which I do have on one of my bands. Yeah, Helios is the perfect opal color. Next is Sea Star, number 8, and this is the last one I had. It also looks similar in the bottle, but it does come off more mermaid-esque with the little blue, purple, turquoise flip. It's very beautiful. The perfect thing about these, they are super waterproof. You could rub that on my hand and it wouldn't come off, and it's really going to stay on your eye, so you don't have to use a glitter glue, which is really a nice touch. And there are the 5 that I got. They do have 8 in the collection, but I only got the ones that I felt like I would really use. And I was trying to show you in different lightings, low light, in the sun, indoors. But now we're going to start with the look. We're going to start by doing a black, simple cat wing. And the perfect thing about multichromes is if you put it over a darker pigment, it really enhances the different colors throughout the sparkle. And it really just makes it more vibrant and stand out more. I love using multichromes because it's such a simple way to make it look like you tried really hard, even if you didn't. And I decided to use every single one that I had because I really wanted to show you how beautiful this is. At the end, I feel like it looks like one of those sequin dresses or sequin purses that we all used to love in like the 2000s. But I did go in order. I started with number 1, number 2 right there. But yeah, I went in the same order that I swatched just to keep it simple, and it turned out so beautiful. I couldn't stop staring at my eyelids. This is just such a fun way to do glitter without having to do a whole intense look, and I think it turned out amazing. You could wear this to wherever you want, a rave, a concert. I'm gonna wear this to work tomorrow because I don't care. It just adds so much sparkle and glam to my day, which I definitely need. But yeah, look how beautiful that is. Super sparkly, super beautiful. And then I just went ahead and did it backwards and, you know, completed the eye look. But I just kept these clips in, even though you just saw me do the eyeliner, just because who doesn't love staring at multi-dimensional glitter? Because I know I do. Especially when I need a pick-me-up. Some people do therapy, some people do drugs. I do staring and playing with glitter. And that doesn't hurt anyone, and that's the best part. I think Moira Cosmetics is such an underrated brand, and I do feel like I see a lot more people talking about it. And if you want to save money on your order, they do a Moira 15 for your first order, 15% off. So definitely do that if you're gonna check out this brand, because there's nothing wrong with saving money, and they're always coming out with new fun glittery things. But there you go, that's the completed eye look. I do go ahead and add some mascara and some lashes just to complete the look, and I'm in love. Look at that in the sunlight. I was just really trying to show you off all the different multi-dimensionals, because when you first apply it, it kind of looked like the same colors, but once you see it in the sunlight, it really is very different colors. It's very rainbow-esque on the eyeliner. I feel like this would be the perfect eyeliner to wear to a Pride festival. Like I said, I'm just putting mascara on, and you really don't need to watch me put mascara and lashes on, but I feel like it really just shows you off all the different colors and variations through that eyeliner from the 5 different shades that I have. But I really hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you if you were thinking about picking up one of these glitters and deciding which one you wanted, if you just wanted one or you wanted all of them, because there's nothing wrong with a bunch of glitter. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me if you got one of these, which color you got, or tell me which one's your favorite. I love reading your guys' comments, and don't forget to have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!